Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be playing with the Beautybay X Jade palette again. Yes, I've only played with this palette a couple of times now, so I want to play with it some more. So yeah, I'm going to play with it again. I'm actually going to be recreating a look that Make Me Up Missa has done. She created a beautiful look over on her channel, and I really just wanted to recreate that because I saw it and I was like, that is stun. It's stun. And I just think, honestly, she just creates the most beautiful looks, and I just wanted to recreate that look because it just, I saw it and I was like, it just gave me so much inspiration. So yeah, like I said, I've already done 2 look seasons palette. If I remember, I will try and link them up in the cards in the description box down below. The first look I did was very bright, very like summer, spring kind of, and then the second look I did was very like khaki green. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful look. So in today's video we're going to be recreating Make Me Up Missa's look. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, prime my lids, zoom you guys in. We're going to jump into it. Okay guys, so I've zoomed you guys in. I've just primed my lids using the Beautybay eye base as usual. My go-to at the minute. It's just so good and it's affordable as well. We love affordability over here. We do. So the first shade that I'm going to take is the black shade, which is called Tourmaline. This one here. Yeah, this palette is so big. I'm literally like, don't even know where the hell to put it. Like, I haven't got room on my desk. There we go. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to pop it through the crease. Oh, she is brave. This is what she used first, and I'm just like, how do people do it? It's a good job I've not done my base first. Like, let's just say that. She did her lower lash line as well. Should I do mine at the same time? No, I never usually do this, but I guess we're doing it today. Like, it's not usually my kind of thing, but put a little bit of I'm going to take this shade along the bottom as well. I look like a panda. I'm hoping that this will work out. Yeah, then I might touch an Angel of the North, which is this shade here. It's a beautiful shade. And I'm just gonna like start to blend out the black with this. Also blending out the lower lash line as well. Oh my god, I look crazy. But like, honestly, this is like full of Make Me Up Missa vibes. So yeah. Then I'm going to take the shade Soulmate, which is this one here. And then afterwards she used Retrograde, which is this one here. So I'm just going to do that. So to blend them 2 shades out. Taking a little bit of Soulmate first. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Retrograde shade. Retrograde shade. Oh. Then I went to the shade Natural Beauty, which is this shade here. And we're going to just blend some more. Honestly, how much lid space does this girl have? Because I don't have this much lid space. Maybe I took the black a bit high. Maybe that's what it was. But yeah, I might need... I mean, even this shade for me is a bit like... I might need to mix it with another shade to kind of like tone it down a little bit, because it's just... Yeah, I'm blending it into my brow. It's just looking like a hot mess at the minute. Like, I'm not even lying to you guys. I just, yeah. I'm feeling that we just carry on. And kind of like make it work. So yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, blend, like build these shades, blend them out one more time. Cut my crease. I'm just pray and hope that it works. I'm gonna go ahead, just do that off camera, and then I'll be back and we're gonna do the lid shade. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. It's getting there. The look is getting there. So yeah, I'm gonna take the shade 2222, which is this one here. It's for the shade that she used. She used like a green P. Louise base. I obviously don't have a green P. Louise base, so I just use my normal bank canvas base from P. Louise, in case you guys were wondering. I'm trying to find a brush. So that's the reason why I have not got a green. But I'm hoping that this will still... It might work, it might not do actually. I used up that base, and then she put a different shimmer shade on top, and then she went in with this on top. So it might be that this doesn't look as clean as what hers does, but we're still going for the same vibe, so yeah. It might not look as bright as hers. I need to get like loads of P. Louise bases, like coloured ones, because I feel like they look amazing, but like they're kind of expensive at the same time, so I'm just like, do I, don't I, do I, don't I? Oh no, I went over. And then she went and took the shade Orion, which is this shade here, and she put that like just next to the black, like to help it blend into the black. I'm just going to take some more of that black shade just to help it blend into the mess that we've got. One thing that I've noticed with this black shade, and I noticed it with my last look as well, when I did use the greens and the black, it does crease a little bit, which it's not exactly great, especially if you're wearing a makeup look that's all day and you've got black in it. Yeah, it's not great. Then I'm just going to go back into the Orion shade. Some more of that on. I mean, I'm not gonna lie guys, it looks a bit messy to me. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, jump off camera. I'm going to do this eye. She did add a winged liner on, so I'm probably going to do that as well, just to like make it look the same. She also did use a gold like liner, gold glitter liner for the cut crease. So I'll be doing that as well. I'll be using one of the Beautybay ones. I'm not too sure which one yet because I have like two goldy ones here. Probably this one, which is Pyrite, but I'll put it in the description box down below. So I'm going to go ahead, just do like the rest of this eye off camera with the liner, stuff like that, and the gold glitter. Do this eye and then the base, then I will be back to show you guys my finished look. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? It is very out of my comfort zone, like very bold, very bright, very something that I wouldn't usually kind of go for. And it's also like the black as well. It's quite a harsh kind of look for me. Like I wouldn't tend to usually go for something like this. However, I'm not mad at it. I think it is such a beautiful look. I think I did definitely try my best. I usually don't do my lower lash line at the same time as my upper lash line because I usually do my base off camera. Like I do that second with the hair and it's really bugging me. But I mean, it's not my favourite look that I've ever done. It's not the worst look in the world, but I'm not mad. I don't hate it. I do have to say the black, I don't know whether this is just me or what, the black does seem to crease quite a bit on the outer corner. Again, it could be that I'm not using the right base, but yeah, I did do like a little bit of like a winged, not wing liner, but I did put a little bit of liner on and put it into the black and then put some of the black shadow on top of the end of the liner. But yeah, I don't hate it. It's not my favourite look, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. So yeah, I kind of like it. I do kind of like it. So I just don't know whether to take it off now or keep it on. Like I'm kind of living for it, but I'm kind of like, I don't know. But yeah, let's talk about, because I did some of the shadows that I use that I hadn't used before. I do have to say the shades in the palette are so beautiful. The 222 shade, I mean look at that. I didn't even put like a green base on. I just like packed it on. It looks insane. Angel of the North, I hadn't used that shade before and I think it is beautiful. Soulmate, again gorgeous. I already used Retrograde. The black I had used before but used it more this time. And then of course Natural Beauty I have used before, but yeah, like this look is insane. I really like it. I preferred it when Mimi Melissa did it. I feel like she just like creates these insane looks and they suit her so much. But yeah, I'm not mad. I did put a little bit of the liquid crystal eyeshadow in Pyrite around the cut crease and I'm kind of digging it. So yeah, this is the finished look wise. What do you think? Everything else that I'm wearing on my face will of course link in the description box down below as always. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!